Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Ford Fiesta. First, park the assisting vehicle close to your Fiesta, ensuring they do not touch. Both cars must be in park or neutral with their engines off and parking brakes engaged. Turn off all electrical accessories in both vehicles, including headlights, radio, and air conditioning. For your safety, always wear protective eyewear and gloves when working with car batteries. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. Take one red clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Fiesta's dead battery. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Then, attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, connect the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Fiesta's engine block, away from the battery. With the cables properly connected, it's time to start the engines. First, start the engine of the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge to your Fiesta's battery. After 5 minutes, try to start your Ford Fiesta. If it doesn't start immediately, wait for about 2 minutes before attempting again. Remember not to crank the engine for more than 10 seconds at a time to prevent damage. Once your Fiesta starts, keep it running for at least 15 to 20 minutes to allow the battery to recharge. Now, disconnect the cables in the reverse order of connection. First, remove the black clamp from your Fiesta's engine block. Then, disconnect the black clamp from the assisting vehicle's negative terminal. Next, remove the red clamp from the assisting vehicle's positive terminal. Finally, detach the red clamp from your Fiesta's positive terminal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.